So hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, as I am playing aeroplane, and before we get going, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Everybody knows how to like, share and subscribe and turn on the post notifications, right? Yeah, so do it right now. And I want 2,000 likes. Okay, so 12, okay? So where is number 12? Okay, so I want 12. F. Is F here? Yeah, in the middle. Hey, let me take my seat. Huh? Why isn't it letting to take my seat? Is it F? Oh, oh, 12? Oh, it's 13. I need 12. Okay. Yeah, this one. Hmm. People find your seats. It's important. Mm. Okay, I'm feeling free to explore it. Oh no, 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 I want my seat, I want my seat, I want my seat. Come back, you seat. Yeah. Oh, I have emote also, that's nice. The snake on plane. Oh, I know that. I've played this. I've not played, I've just saw on its video. Please, not me. I don't have an allergy of sandwiches. That. Thank you for your cooperation. Okay. Passenger. I'm a passenger. Oh. No, I don't want. Please, not me. Please. I must not feel bad. Please, please. No, not me. Please. Mm, let's see. No, not me. Please. Not me. Please. Let's see. Yeah, not me. Good. So let's see, and I will find his baggage. Our panda Boise. Okay. Uh. Okay. Mayo. Oh no. Whose is it? Oh, it's mine! I found mine already. I found it, yeah, good. Hey, who is it? He died! Oh. He died. Okay. I just really left. Okay, there's a washroom. I like this game a little bit, but when I have an allergy of mayo, I leave this game. Now the snakes one part. Oh, what's happening? Uh, hey, you monster! You will not survive. Are those snakes? No! They're killing people. You snakes, get out. Oh, not here. Oh, they're so close to me. Yeah, I came. Yes, don't you think this game is nuts? It's so easy type. It's not too hard. I want the victory. That was scary. We should discuss that. What the heck is happening? Yeah, we must discuss. Huh? What's happening? Hey, don't eat it. He ate. And do we get energy from it? Oh yeah, we get energy. Yeah, I got it now. We get energy. Okay, so now what do we have to do? Okay, say what do we have to do? Do we have to go there? Or is it back up? Yeah, I know that. I can see it, everything very properly. And the snakes are gone. Thank God. Do we have to sit on our seats? The creature on the wing is also gone. Creepy. Yeah. Your attention, passengers. I have a good news and a bad news. The good news is the power is back up. Yeah, thank you. Please tell the bad news quickly. The bad news is that we are losing the... Oh, I want that. Yeah, I got it. Thank gosh. Hey, you're gonna die. Bye. I got that. Oh, he died. Now. Hey, just respawn. Just respawn it. Huh? Black screen. Shall I get up off my seat? Oh my god, what happened? What is this? What? It looks like a bomb. No! What? Oh no! What's happening? What are we gonna do? I don't know this game very nicely because I've seen this video very ago. Hey, calm down. Okay, everyone, calm down. What calm down? If we find something sharp to cut the cables, I will cut the... Come on, I want the scissors. It is not here. Go find it. Hey! Oh no. I want the scissors. Yeah, I got it. I found a pair of scissors. That's nice. Which cable should I cut? Blue! I will cut the blue cable. We did it. I did it. You were just sitting on your place. Only me? Five 418. It's the code is 5418, and this is the captain room. What's happening? I wanna go. And do I have to press on this red button? Or on this button? I'm not understanding what to do. But what do I have to do? We haven't heard of the crew in the while. We should look for them and check if everything is okay. Huh? Captain, open. I know the code. Guys, I'm not understanding what to do. Okay, what should I do now? We have to click here. No. This game, I don't understand what is happening. Oh, I know something I have to check. Huh? Where are those? Oh, yeah, I know what to do now. Maybe I know. I found them. Yeah. I'm going in the captain's room. Who we? No one is playing with me. It's locked. Huh? Something is happening and the captain must be in trouble. This door needs a code. I know that. Where's the code? I found the code. Hey, the monster. It's the creature. It's a monster, not the creature. You will pay for what you've done. What I've done, the creature. You think you are here on exit? I brought you here, all of you. Oh, is someone playing with me? No. That is not possible. It is. And now it's time to die. No, get up. You get out. Please get out. See in the afterlife? No. Hey, get out. Oh no. Plane is falling. What some button to click. Where's the autopilot button? Quick. Oh yeah. Click all the buttons. Oh, no. This is going to be very hard. I have to click all the buttons. Guys, this is going to be very hard. Ah, I found the button. That's nice. We did it. We saved the plane. It has been a crazy flight. I just want to be home already. Yeah, it was a very crazy flight. Now all we need to do is the emergency phone so we can call for help. I know where's the phone. Yeah. Well, I like this game very much. Okay. I'm only going to sit on the seat because no one more is there. Only I am playing. Yeah. It's again crashing. Okay, everyone, I got this. Oh, the creature came again. Oh no, it is back. How are you still alive? Mia star 244. I'm still alive. I have the mask. I killed all of your friends. Yes, but I am alive. But you, there is something about you. Yeah, I'm special. Your energy does not let me kill you. Oh, thank you. I'm not gonna anywhere with you, Master. I am the chosen one. Oh, really? I'm the chosen one? Oh, I didn't know. I will come back for you. Hmm? Huh? I can't believe I was the only survivor. Oh, really? That's nice. Oh. I got the victory! Yay! I got the aeroplane victory! And guys, if you like watching, please like this video, subscribe, and turn on the post notifications. Bye, guys!